Christ is to be realigned. Realignment. If you feel yourself, anybody ever been to a chiropractor? And you walk in your sciatica be acting up. You be having headaches from the left side and right side. And you go to the chiropractor, he does a couple of quick adjustments.
There it is.
And you get up from that table, jumping, praising, and leaping, right?
Amen.